Hi Shining Stars and hi Opportunity family. We are going to do a science activity today and it is called Fireworks in a Jar. For this project you're going to need water, baby oil or cooking oil, food coloring, a funnel or a cup, a bowl, and a vase. Or you can use a recycled bottle, container. It just has to be clear. And then also you can use a fork or a spoon. This is my assistant, Jaden, my son. So everything on this table is liquid based. The water, the oil, and the food coloring. The food coloring is color and a liquid. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pour the water into this vase about halfway. And then we're going to take the oil, the baby oil, and put it into a separate bowl before we put them together. Now we're going to have Jaden pick out 2 colors to pour into the bowl of liquid, of baby oil. Okay. You're going to put about 2 drops. Yes. Count them out.
1, 2.
Okay.
And the last 2. 1.
Into the baby oil.
1, 2.
Okay.
Okay.
Next, Jaden is going to take a fork. You can take a fork or a spoon, and you're going to make the drops, the food coloring drops, a little bit smaller than what they are in the liquid. Go ahead. Okay, do the yellow. Okay. Okay. Next, you're going to take your funnel and you're going to put it on top of your vase, or if you're using a cup, you can use a cup, and you're going to pour the baby oil into your cup and then pour it into the vase. But today we're going to use the funnel. And Jaden is going to pour the baby oil with the food coloring into the jar, and we're going to see what happens when the baby oil and the water and the food coloring mix.
Okay.
You're going to pour it into the funnel. What do you see coming down?
Honestly, it looks like string, but it actually looks like food coloring. It actually is food coloring.
The colors that you see floating down at the bottom is the water-based or the liquid-based food coloring. And because it is flowing down, it's heavier than the oil that's sitting on top.
Wait, what? The oil is sitting on top?
The oil is sitting on top. It's lighter than water in weight.
Okay. Wait, I didn't know that was the oil. I thought you overdid the water.
No, the baby oil is on top of the water, and the water is heavier than the baby oil, and the food coloring is heavy as well.
The drops, there's some drops.
They're gonna fall.
One of the drops just exploded.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what it's supposed to do?
Mm-hmm.
That one's not exploding, and that one will not explode.
It will. So that concludes our density project on fireworks in a jar. We learned that water, clear water, and food coloring are heavier than the oil, which is the clear liquid on top of the green liquid. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I shall see you later. Bye.
Bye.